Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you guys? Hope so you will be fine, and today topic of discussion is cytoskeleton. In this topic I am going to explain what is cytoskeleton, why cytoskeleton is important for cell division, and why cytoskeleton is known as dynamic skeleton. What is microtubules, what is microfilament, composition of microtubules, microfilaments, and role of microtubules, microfilaments in the cytoskeleton and in the cell. So the first point is focus on the title. The title name is the cytoskeleton. Cyto related to cell and skeleton is a framework. So it means that the cytoskeleton is actually the skeleton of the cell. It is not a skeleton of an organism. In actual, it is a skeleton of the cell. So we can also say that cytoskeleton is a cell skeleton. Cell skeleton. The skeleton is a framework that helps to maintain the shape and provide supports. It means that here the cell skeleton provides the shape and support to the cell. Why the cytoskeleton is called dynamic skeleton? If we talk about the human skeleton is not a dynamic skeleton, it is an endoskeleton. Why human skeleton is not a dynamic skeleton and cell skeleton or cytoskeleton is a dynamic skeleton? The main reason behind it is the cell skeleton can quickly change its shape. The skeleton of the cell helps to maintain the shape of cell, and it also maintains shape of cell, and it also helps to change the shape of cells, also helps to change shape of cells. And also the cytoskeleton or cell skeleton also responsible for the movement of the organelles inside the cell. Movement of organelles inside the cell. Due to these reasons, the cytoskeleton is known as dynamic skeleton. The cell can quickly change their shape, and it also maintains their shape due to the cytoskeleton, and it is also responsible for the movements of organelles such as the nucleus and mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, etc. inside the cells. That's why the cytoskeleton is known as a dynamic skeleton. So inside the cytoplasm, the fluid medium, the non-viscous transparent fluid in the cell is known as the cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm there is a cytoskeletal fibers. These are the cytoskeletal fibers, and these cytoskeletal fibers are made up from microtubules and microfilaments. So in actual we can say that the cytoskeleton is made up from microtubules and microfilaments. What is microtubules? Here see in the diagram, these are the microtubules. These are the microtubules. The microtubules are cylinder structure. Microtubules. What is microtubules? Microtubules are long cylinder and tubular structure, and these microtubules are made up from tubulin proteins, and it helps to maintain the shape of the cell. It helps it to maintain the shape of the cell. The microtubules helps to maintain the shape of the cell, and it is also important for the formation of the cilia and flagella. What is cilia and flagella? The microscopic organisms paramecium. On the surface of paramecium, small projections, finger-like projections, small finger-like projections are present on the cell of paramecium, and it is known as cilia, and the cilia is made up from microtubules. It is made up from tubulin proteins. The organism is a paramecium, and in the paramecium cilia is present, and cilia is made up from microtubules. The second one is the flagella, the another organisms, and its name is Euglena. In the Euglena, the flagella is present, and this flagella is also made up from microtubules. At the start of the lecture I said that the cytoskeleton helps in the cell division. The cell division is basically divided interphase and the mitotic phase. Interphase as well as mitotic phase. A complete lecture on interphase and mitotic phase like the mitosis and meiosis is also available on this lecture, and the link of these videos will be added in the description, so you can see that here in details. The interphase and mitotic phase. During the mitotic phase, spindle fibers are formed in the cells, which helps in the separation of the chromosomes. The chromosomes are present in the equator of the cells, and the spindle fibers are attached to these chromosomes, and these spindle fibers helps in the separation of the chromosomes during the mitotic phase. And these spindle fibers in actual are made up from tubulin protein. It means that they are actual made up from microtubules, and microtubules is forms the cytoskeleton. So we can say that the cytoskeleton is important during the cell division. Okay, the second one is the microfilaments. These structures are the microfilaments. Microfilaments are comparatively more cylinders than the microtubules. They are more cylinder than the microtubules. Microtubules is made up from tubulin proteins, but microfilament is made up from actin proteins. Microtubules helps in the maintains the shape of the cell, but it helps in the change the shape of the cells. This is a complete lecture on the cytoskeleton for the class 9th. If you have any sort of question related to this topic, you can ask in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.